some honey eaters up in this bank, not banks there, callistemon. See, it's got the nice red flowers there. Oh, you can't see it, it's in silhouette. Yeah, trust me on it. Oh, there you can see a little bit of red there. So they're right in there, loving it. So, you know, it's terrible call. That one's really noisy. Yeah, can you hear it? Okay, he's in there. He's feeding on that Banksy up there somewhere. Anyway, it's not as interesting now. I'm Eddie, and welcome to Eddie the channel. Like and subscribe. Oh, there's one. Always a bit of action, man. Yeah, and I'll show you more cool stuff when I see it. See ya.